Alright, so you can title your notes. Let's see.
Sorry.
Two-step equations.
Doing your best.
Two-step equations. Alright, and I'll zoom in a little bit more. Alright, so what is a two-step equation? Yesterday was examples of one step. You only need to cancel one thing to get x by itself. Today, I probably somewhat reviewed to you still, but with two-step equations, it looks something like this. Alright, here's an example. So 3x plus 4 equals 10. 3x plus 4 equals 10. Alright, now we still need to find out what x is to get x by itself. This means 3 times some number plus 4 gives you 10. What is x? So to do that, the best thing to do, and off to the side, I can put the steps, okay? Step 1. Step 1.
Can you go over so I can see what the first thing is?
Yeah, here you go. Step 1. Cancel terms first. Cancel terms first. Which means terms are things in the problem or in the equation that are added and subtracted. So in this example, 3x is a term and 4 is a term. They're pieces that are added and subtracted. So we need to cancel those terms. And by terms, I mean constant terms. Okay? Constant terms. So I want to get rid of the 4. So to do that, it's being added. So how would I cancel it? I would subtract it. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. So minus 4. The 4's cancel, and you have what left over? 6. And 3x on the other side, right? Because the 4's canceled. Now you have the next piece to cancel. That takes you to step 2. Cancel coefficients. What is a coefficient? Cancel coefficients. Those are numbers that are multiplied in front of the x. The numbers that are next to x. Yes, Soraya?
3, like we do, put a line under the 3x and put a 3, and then a line under the 6 and put a 3 like that.
That's it. That's it, exactly. So then, to cancel the 3, since it's multiplying, the coefficient there, I want to divide it to undo it. So a line underneath with a 3 shows I'm dividing 3, and I want to do the same to the other side. Like that. 3 divided by 3 is just 1. Okay? That's the point. 1x. Or x. 1x is the same as x. It's the same thing. X equals 6 divided by 3, which I heard some of you say it. 2. And that's the answer.
I know how to do this now.
So really, two-step equations are just doing one-step equations twice. Basically. You're removing the addition and subtraction first. Then you're getting rid of the number next to x. That's all you do. Alright? So I'll give you one more example. Okay? Negative 4x plus 4 equals 20. Alright? negative 4x plus 4 equals 20. So, first step, what would be my first step?
Your first step is
Divide by
to
four.
divide.
Divide by
It's not divide, you
Put a
subtract by
negative 4
4.
under the 4 in the 20.
Retarded.
Yeah. Yeah, number one, cancel terms first.
Bro,
Constant
get off the
terms. So, these are the constant terms. Alright? So I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides.
You draw your little squiggly line going down.
Like that. You mean the little bar that cross out? Like
No, I'm
that?
talking about through the equal sign, cause that's how I do mine.
Oh yeah, I've seen that before. Some people do this to show both sides of the equation. If you want to do that to help you.
16 on the right side.
There you
and
go.
Then you get negative 4x. You gotta divide negative 4x, and then you gotta divide negative 4x and 16, which is gonna give you negative 4.
Okay, Dennis.
Period.
Exactly. So you canceled the 4 by subtracting, and then you canceled the other negative 4 because it was multiplying by dividing. You did it to both sides.
I'm so smart, huh?
Smart fella.
Yeah.
Smart fella. Okay? Any questions about this?
No.
Okay. Then that is all of the notes.